What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Life Arrest back again with another video. And today in store. Don't mind this gas, like I'm going to get some gas now. I'm going to put a little something in here. I ain't trying to put up too much because I'm off tomorrow. So I put about a good dub in here and call it a day. But today for you guys, I got a little POV. Just a little POV. So make sure you guys hit like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification bells on. But yeah, like I said, I got a little POV for you guys tonight, and I'm really just going to get some food. And I was just like, shit, I might as well do a video to drop for you guys. I ain't even gonna have to edit it. I'm just gonna put it together and call it a day. I'm finna stop and see my son first. My baby mother is very close, so I'm just gonna stop and see him for a split second. Hopefully he don't go crazy when he see me. Y'all, put a little gas in here. Just a little bit, not too crazy. You know, track. With the traction off. Let's ride. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all can't see squat. Y'all hit a little pops. Not too crazy right now. I bet whether I want to go down this back street or not. Probably not. I'm not. But like I was saying, a little POV, go get me some Chipotle. A little cut up here and there. It ain't cold enough outside for me. I want to get real cold. It's a straightaway. It's a straightaway. Hey, when slow car get in front of me. Hey, baby, hopping. Okay, calm down a little bitty. Calm down a little bit. Let me give y'all a little window edit. Sunroof a little bit. Let's see if I can get a little wheel spin. Too many cars right now. I don't know what this is. Let me see if I can get a little wheel spin. Got a little wheel spin. Okay. little pops. I don't know why, but my pops hit way harder in sport mode. Let me switch to sport. Okay. And one pop, they hung. Come on now, baby. Wake up. I'm waiting on you. I've been doing a little baby pop. Let me go another gear. Why my intake must not be on? There's no way. Yeah, cause that ain't even popping for real. I don't even hear it. That bit probably came off again. Yeah, my intake be popping off, y'all. That joint usually be popping hard as hell. There it go. It popping a little bit. That joint used to be pop, 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 pop. I don't know what's going on at night. I guess it's still too cold for it. That bit probably be popping crazy. Check my intake when I get to Chipotle. There goes some little pops. Come on, man. Y'all take it too long, bro. Turn, bro. What the fuck you waiting on? So I'm gonna go. It would take too long for me. I gotta watch how I speed over here. Got my cousin there. Oh, there we go. Got my cousin, the police. I'm taking for a ride. I'm telling you now, I'm taking for a ride. Just because. I hope I get on camera too. Thinking about buying these headers. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Dude told me 200, brand new. He said he just don't want it. I'm really about to just be like, shit, let me get them. I'm trying to see if he want this spoiler, cause he got an LT1 and they don't come with the regular SS spoiler. They come with a little small little spoiler. I don't even think he got one on there. If he do, it's real small. Well, I'm trying to see if he want this spoiler. He got a wicker bill on it, and it's black. Okay, talk your shit, bitch. Yeah, I'm a wisdom teeth coming in, and I can't even talk straight. It does not feel good. That does not feel good. I've been feeling like I've been talking with a lisp all day. That bitch does not feel good. The bug, I'm like, boy, you ain't tell me you coming down here. I'm like, Bro, it's a quick trip to the house and back. I ain't even finna lie to you. I ain't trying to do too much. I just want some Chipotle. Usually Thursdays are my Chipotle day, but I'm making an exception. I can't wait till tomorrow. We're gonna have to get that thing tonight. And they ain't closed. My whole way to get food. I ain't gonna lie. That's what's so crazy. I'm surprised I ain't seen him yet, cause I usually see him when I'm coming down here every time in the same spot. He must got somebody pulled over already. That boy said, don't call him 12, call him 13. Still the police though. Day for me, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's why I want my Chipotle today. Chipotle made me feel a little better. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I gonna get that thing. That and Zaxby's are the only two things that make me feel better. Now look, they got a police right there. And they car just flying right past me. And it better not be him, cause I'ma run. If he pull out behind me, that's him. Let's look in the mirror. He ain't pull out behind me. That ain't him. Yeah, that ain't him. He ain't pull out yet. And he ain't called my phone. Yeah, he's still sitting there. A little popcorn. Just a little something. Hey man. But this concludes the video for tonight. A little something. Not too much. Just a little something to post for you guys. But the next video is gonna be a little crazy, I ain't gonna lie. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bells, and we're out.